It's 1:28 a.m. on Friday, September 17th, 2021. So I think I think now it seems like the noise is gone. They must have turned the noise down, but this car right here, uh it won't let me damn. Okay, here we go. Wow, they're trying to manipulate my phone. This car, it seems like I can tell they got like music that's hurting my ears. Um, y'all might not be able to pick it up or hear it, but I could hear it. Um, my sleeping bag is in my blanket right here. It's still wet, and it's hard to try to sleep with the wet sleeping bag and a wet blanket. And it's not raining tonight. But I heard it's supposed to still rain in a couple of hours or so. Um, I'm surprised that I got any sleep. So, I surprised. Oh, see, I think that was some lightning. So, I'm not gonna be quiet. I mean, people, and then it's like people will get smart ass and come on my page and be like, is there any wonder why nobody wants to help you? And this or that, whatever. But, you know, people think that their lack of compassion, justifying their lack of compassion to think that they can persecute or punish you and think that they can play God. You know, they think that's normal and right, but they make it like as if animals and dogs and like animals, like mainly dogs, is their favorite. I mean, they pretty much worship the cats and dogs and animals and feel like the animal can do no wrong. But they'll even sit there. They'll protect a stray cat or a dog. But, people that even sit there and let children suffer or make children suffer, but it's even worse when you're an adult and they're heartless and cruel enough that they don't care if you're disabled. And you leave. It's like you want to force a disabled woman to be homeless and try to criminalize her trying to seek help and make up lies and saying that I'm trying to defraud and scam people and stuff like that. And even other targets, as I said, if you're supposed to be a real target, like why are you trying to, handle me the same way the perps do, but you're still being targeted too. So my pants are wet, and it's like I have been crying out for help. And people trying to insinuate that I burned all my bridges. They're trying to insinuate that I burned all my bridges from everybody. The false rumors spread like wildfire. So yeah, I mean, most targets did they did sell out and become perps, and there's hardly any few real ones left. And then most of them act like as if I'm supposed to be like like excommunicated from the TI community, or basically I was never welcome or recognized in the TI community in the first place. It's like as if they make it like as if I shouldn't even dare try to fit in. You know, I put up my proof and show that I'm a real TI, and people still want to call me a fake and a perp and a poser and a fraud and everything. And you know, people question about what will happen for this winter. You know, so if they're urgently asking like, what am I gonna do for the winter? Like, I'm barely having help with what to do for now. How am I supposed to know what's supposed to happen for the winter? So I mean, I'm gonna try to keep on asking for help until or unless I get it. And then targeted individuals, they're following and subscribe to the perps who have videos full of lies about me and stuff. And I have no reason to lie about anything. You know, it's like they just want to be malicious and evil and bullying me online. Nobody's there to speak up in my defense. Nobody's there to justify, well, hey, yes, she is a real targeted individual. If somebody wants to do a video saying that I'm lying about my experiences and just trying to scam people and stuff like that. And then they think that the online bullying, they think it's funny, to see me suffer and stuff like that. I mean, I have been praying and crying out to God, and people try to make like that my suffering is, me reaping what I sow. I expose the truth about y'all. I'm not lying. I'm not slandering. I'm not sowing discord amongst the brethren or none of that. I'm not even, I don't badmouth sincere people. Sincere Christians. It's like I recognize that you're doing, certain things that's fake. And so, you want to persecute me and smear campaign me and brainwash everybody to not help me just because I spoke the truth about you. So, and then it's like the perps are blending in with the so-called TI community and usurp the power to get more recognition than us real ones suffering. And the perps are not suffering, but they're just pretending, the fake TI perps. And they all got this freaking, the regular perps, they bragged about the reputation that they ruined for me, and they thought it was funny. And I wish that more people would listen to me, and I wish more people would listen to me and believe me and help me out. All these professed targeted individuals that I see that they don't show any proof of their targeting, and they drive in their brand new luxury cars with their own business, their own business to run, and smiling and talking about how God is good and, how God has, blessed them and stuff like that. When it's like, well, y'all don't even act like as if y'all persecuted, or y'all don't even act like y'all going through anything. But they're the ones, giving all these fake feel-good messages and they have a lot of subscribers and stuff. And then they'll go ahead and make an occasional perp comment on your channel and stuff like that, So I'm still crying out for help.